Hello, welcome to my video. I am Swapan Kumar Das, LIC advisor. I have brought one policy, namely Bima Jyoti, plan number 860 of LIC. So, Bima Jyoti plan number 860, I am going to explain whatever I know. Please listen to me carefully. Eligible age is 0 years to 60 years. Policy term is 15 to 20 years. You can select any term from 15 to 20 years. Premium paying term, the premium you have to pay only for 5 years. This is a guaranteed addition plan. 50 rupees per thousand. Guaranteed, not simple reversionary bonus or any other else. This is a guaranteed bonus additions. Death benefit is 125% plus sum assured plus guaranteed additions, death benefit. Maturity benefit is sum assured plus guaranteed addition. Premium paying mode is yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly. And riders is there, accidental rider and disability rider is there, term assurance rider is there, critical illness rider is there, premium waiver benefit is there. Premium waiver benefit PWB. Why this was included? Because 0 to 17 years, that are minors. So parents are taking on behalf of the children of this policy. So if something happens to the parents, so automatically the premium paying term, premium payment will be stopped. So that it has got option PWB, premium waiver benefit. Illustration, just I am a simple illustration I want to give you. A person, namely Mr. X, age is only 35 years. Sum assured he has taken 10 lakhs. Yearly premium he has opted to pay yearly, so that yearly premium is 83,569. Remember, this is guaranteed and only 5 years you have to pay the premium, and you have to select the policy term within 15 to 20 years. Yearly premium 83,569, term suppose 20 years, he has chosen 20 years. So, how many years he has to pay the premium? He will pay the premium 20 minus 5, that is premium term will be 15 years. Total premiums paid is 12,53,535. If death in the 6th year, if Mr. X is dead on the 6th year, he will get 12,50,000 plus 3 lakhs. If accidental death is occurred, then 25 lakhs plus 3 lakhs he will get. And maturity benefit is 10 lakhs sum assured plus 10 lakhs guaranteed addition, total is 20 lakhs, that is guaranteed by the LICI. So, from 0 years means age of entry is 90 days to 60 years. Up to 60 years, you can take this policy. Policy term is 15 to 20 years. Premium paying term is policy term. Policy term means suppose 20 years you have chosen, then it is to be minus by 5, that is 15 years. Sum assured minimum is 1 lakh and above is unlimited as per your capacity, as per your budget. Loan can be taken after only 2 years. Surrender can be done only after 2 years. Revival policy, if the policy is unpaid for 6 months, the policy will be lapsed and it is to be revived. So, revival, it is within 5 years you have to revive from the unpaid premium, first unpaid premium. If it is cross 5 years, you cannot revive the policy. Your policy will be forfeited. Premiums to be paid for 5 years, then maturity year. Ideal plan for planning guaranteed returns and risk cover. Optional to avail accidental and disability benefit rider, PWB rider, critical illness rider and term rider. In this case, in this policy, income tax exemption is there. Under section 80C, maturity, on maturity, no deduction will be there by the income tax and you will get the benefit exemption under section 10 within bracket 10D. Mode of rebate is there. According to your mode, payment of premium, sum assured rebate is there. Mode of rebate, yearly 2% rebate you will get. If you pay yearly, 2% discount you will get from your premium, and half yearly 1% discount you will get. Sum assured rebate is there up to rupees 2,75,000, no rebate, no discount, and 3 lakhs to 4,75,000, 4% discount will be there on the basic sum assured. Basic sum assured means suppose you have chosen 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs sum assured. According to base on this sum assured, 4% discount will be given to you. If you taken 5 lakhs sum assured to 9,75,000, then 5% discount you will get on the basic sum assured. Maturity is sum assured plus guaranteed bonus or 125% of the basic sum assured. Suppose basic sum assured is 10 lakhs, then 125% of basic sum assured you will get on maturity, or 7 times of annualized premium you paid. Death benefit not less than 105% of all premiums paid up to the death. At the time of death, earlier whatever amount premium you have paid, on the basis of this 105% of the premiums you will get as a death benefit. Paid up value is there after 2 years. If you are unable to continue the policy, you can take paid up below. Maturity benefit rupees 10 lakhs sum assured plus rupees 10 lakhs guaranteed addition, 20 lakhs along with riders, accident benefit, everything is included. So, my dear friend circles, I am explaining you. I think you have understood. The name of the policy, again I am telling you, Bima Jyoti, table number 860. So, try the policy. And lastly, I request you, if the video is liked by you, then kindly like it, share it, subscribe it, and please give your comment. I request you only comments. If you give me comments, then I can rectify myself to give you good suggestions regarding LIC. Thank you.